Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you can, please give me that thumbs up, the like button to share this video with others. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you subscribed so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. Well, welcome back everyone. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about a special purpose acquisition company called GGPI. I have had a lot of questions from my viewers to do an update follow-up on this since I've done one a few days back where GGPI could be potentially the next CCIV Lucid Motors SPAC merger. So I did want to talk to you about this. I do have a little bit of updated news. We are going to talk about this and some of the potential risks, some of the stock prices, and where this stock could go if this merger does go through. I think you're really going to like this video, so let's go in and check it out. So I will be talking about this article from Seeking Alpha, and it does talk about the SPAC series. So a SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. Basically what this is a company that gathers cash, gathers a lot of money in investment, and what they do is do a reverse merger. So what they do is they merge with a company, I'll just use the CCIV Lucid Motors example. So CCIV was the SPAC company that took in all the money, and what they do is they purchase and combine and do a merger with a company such as Lucid Motors to get out into the stock market on the NASDAQ. So similar, this SPAC in this case we're going to be talking about is Gores Guggenheim. The ticker on this that is trading on the NASDAQ is GGPI. And there are some bullish cases on the Gores Guggenheim. So we are going to be talking about that GGPI is a good speculative play according to this author. And it does have a rumor that it will be merging, and it is in talks with Polestar. This is an electric vehicle company made in Sweden. It has an amazing vehicle. I have been reading and studying it up on this vehicle, and I do think that it has a great potential, and I will talk about it in the next few slides. So right now they're both perspectives. The Polestar is on track record, and it is right now in conversations and discussions with Gore Group as being a sponsor to make the GGPI a good investment choice. If this reverse merger through the SPAC company does go through, investors of GGPI can have a potentially very big upside on its initial public listing with a very limited downside. So that's one of the very nice things about these SPAC companies. Whenever the stock does come out, it's at $10. And whenever the merger happens, normally the stock goes up very tremendously and very high. It just depends on how much investor enthusiasm is for the stock and for the company. And according to Polestar, I think it will be quite good, such as Lucid Motors SPAC was with CCIV. So as I have mentioned, the SPAC companies, they do start trading on the NASDAQ at about $10 or a little under. So GGPI, Gores Guggenheim, is at a price right now of a little bit below $10 as of this recording. And this is a speculative play. So right now it is not confirmed that GGPI will be doing a reverse merger with Polestar. However, they are in talks. This has been confirmed through Bloomberg, which was one of the first investor companies out there that had reported on CCIV and Lucid Motors when they were in talks. So this, according to this analyst, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ are really not doing too good in the stock market right now. Investors are seeing a lot of volatility. And according to this article, it explains why meme stocks such as GameStop and AMC are cycling through these volatile peaks and valleys. So they're going really high up, really high down. But looking at less risky plays than GameStop and AMC is your pre-merger SPAC, the Special Purpose Acquisition Corporation companies, to capture this potential of this upside. So right now, as I mentioned, the stock is trading at 10 or right under $10. As soon as this SPAC is announced, you will have a potential for this stock to skyrocket into increase your money. Now on the downside, there really isn't that big of a downside because you're already trading at the bottom of the barrel at the cost of this special purpose acquisition company. So there's not big room for a downside or to lose your money. However, if this rumor does pan out, there are very big potentials for an upside in this stock. So this big information gives us a chance to get into this stock before it goes public. So if you get into GGPI, Gores Guggenheim, speculative this stock, you could have the potential, if these rumors do pan out and they do merge with Polestar, that they will have a very big move in this stock upward with very limited downward mobility. So there are rumors out there. This gives us a bullish case for the GGPI stock. So there are rumors out there that they are in talks with Polestar, which is an ideal candidate for the attention-grabbing initial public listing. And Gores Group has been a SPAC sponsor that has been involved with several SPAC deals in the past that have been very successful. One of the good examples that the Gores Group had a very successful collaboration with a previous company called Luminar LAZR technology for self-driving cars. It does have a ticker now of LAZR, and this was also a very good SPAC merger with this Volvo collaboration company. And so this is one of the other reasons why we believe that GGPI will be merging with Polestar, is because it's involved with Volvo and the Swedish company. Now, the Gores Group has also exhibited sound business practices in valuation, and it does its due diligence in targeting which companies it does involve itself with. And it does have a very good track record. So again, the shares of the GGPI right now are trading under $10. And this means that the share price should not go much less than $10. So you do have that minimal risk until the business combination does take place. So this does give us a really good chance to get into this stock on these rumors. And if this does come to a fruition, if it does come to a relationship in a marriage with this reverse merger, your stock can do very, very well if they do merge with GGPI and Polestar. Now, I did want to transition and talk about the company Polestar that GGPI is rumored to be in talks with, according to Bloomberg. So Polestar is a company, an electric vehicle company that is based in Sweden. However, it does have global presence. So this article from Electric talks about Polestar, and it's going to double the global market and retail presence by the end of this year, 2021. So as I mentioned, this is a Swedish EV automaker, and it has big plans to expand from its 9 places in the market to 18. It's going to double, and it also has plans to double its retail presence to over 100 operating locations before the end of this year. It was launched back in 2017. It is a Swedish car brand company that does make premium electric vehicle companies out there. It is co-partnered with Volvo, so it does have a very good safety rating, and also Glee Holding. So it does have 2 electrified vehicles right now, the Polestar 1, which is a plug-in hybrid. This is its sports car vehicle. It's a 2-door. It does have a gas and electric engines, and it is a very beautiful car. Its base price is $150,000. The second one is the all-electric Polestar 2. This one is a 4-door sedan. It is ranging price around $50,000 to $60,000. It does have a range of, I believe, 233 miles on a single charge, 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. It's a beautiful car, and it does have a big following, and a lot of people are very interested in it. Polestar also does have plans to make the Polestar 3, which will be its first SUV that will be built and sold in the United States, and it will be in the production very, very soon. Going back to doubling its presence, which is going to be involving its stock price once it does become public. This is very good news if you are investing in a company, especially electric vehicle company, because you do want that product out there and you do want that demand. So this is very good news that Polestar is doubling its retail presence because of the demand. And remember, this car is actually making vehicles right now. You could go out and purchase this vehicle. It does have glowing reviews on it, and I think this company is going to do very, very well in the future as it does have a head start. So this is a good example of what the Polestar cars look like. In the black here, you have your two-door sports car, the Polestar 1, and the four-door Polestar 2, which is all-electric four-door in white. So here's a list of the current and upcoming markets that Polestar is in. So currently right now, they are trading in Belgium, Canada, China, Germany, Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, and the United States. They are projected in the year 2021, which is this year, to add and double their presence in Australia, Austria, Denmark, Finland, Hong Kong, New Zealand, Singapore, and South Korea. So I did want to switch gears and talk about Gores Guggenheim. The stock is trading right now on the NASDAQ is GGPI. It is right now at $9.10. As you can see, it debuted on May 18th at $10, and we have dropped its price. It was trading as low as $9.70 was its 52-week low back on May 28th. However, this stock has been under $10 this whole time, except for July 9th when the rumor and all these little rumors have been coming around that there could be a potential merger with the Polestar. So it did get a little bit of a bump, but then that news fizzled out. Is no more news that's been coming out. So again, we are trading under that $10 mark. The reason why I bring this up is because look at how low this stock can go. It's already really close to its 52-week low. In this stock, you really don't have a big risk of losing your money, which is why I like getting into these SPAC plays. However, its upside right now, it's unknown because we don't know that this reverse merger is going to be happening through this SPAC company with Polestar. However, if it is there, the future is unlimited. To explain this, let me show you with Lucid Motors when it was trading as CCIV, just to give you a history background. CCIV actually came out as a SPAC in September 18th of last year, 2020, and it was again trading at $9.89. So does this look familiar? It's below $10 as SPACs do. So for the longest time, it was trading under that $10 mark. It did, have its low at $9.75. But look at this. As soon as the merger rumors started happening on January 7th at the beginning this year, this stock just started creeping up. Just in a few days, the stock went from $10 to $13 just in 3 days, and then it just started going up ever since then. So but at the beginning of January 8th, it was trading at $10. By the end of the month, let's look at the end of the month, it was trading at $22.88. That's more than double your money just in 1 month alone. Again, as all the rumors and speculations were coming through, people would buy. So what they were doing is buying all the rumors. And then look at what happened. On the day that the SPAC of CCIV with Lucid Motors was announced, you did have this buy the news, sell the rumor, and you had everybody just sell off and take big profits. So will this exactly happen with Polestar and GGPI if the rumor is true? Definitely we could have a nice pop and it could be going up as it does. Now, will it go as high as $56, $60? Lucid Motors LCID actually had a 52-week high of $64.86. I can't guarantee it's going to go that high. It just depends how much hype and how much excitement is out there for the vehicle Polestar. Now, there was a lot of excitement about Lucid Motors because it's a direct competitive to Tesla. It did have the CEO Peter Rawlinson, which was involved with Tesla, and he was the chief engineer that made the Tesla Model S. So there were a lot of people, a lot of interest in this. Will this happen with Polestar? I really don't know. I can tell you though, if the rumor is true, this stock will go up quite nicely from that $10 or below $10 that it's trading right now. But please note that GGPI stock right now is just in talks, and it's rumored that they're in talks with Polestar. This is not a confirmed deal right now. I will be monitoring it closely, and I will be reporting to you as soon as I hear anything. But please do your own due diligence before purchasing any stocks. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me that thumbs up if you liked it, or if you learned something new, give me that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all. Give me a comment down below that you subscribed. I really appreciate to hear those. And give me any feedback, both positive and negative. I always like to hear from you. But thank you so much for everybody's support. Please, let's grow this channel. If you can help me, we've been doing great. But please share this channel with your friends, your family, your coworkers, and that next door neighbor. And I can't wait to talk to you in the next one. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.